guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lynette. If you haven't been here before, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Over here you can find stuff, about inward, outward beauty. I've got a lot of different tutorials, and as some of you guys might know, I'm actually an Ipsy creator. So every month I get the honor of showing you what I got in this month's glam bag. So this bag is so cute. Look it says, "And off she went to change the world." So those of you guys that know me well know that that's a perfect quote for me, because I am committed to changing the world, at my small capacity anyway. And you can too. You can just start by affirming a girl you see walking down the street. Tell her you love her outfit, tell her you love her lipstick. Just affirm one another. Let's just be love and light. The world really needs more of it. So that's kind of what I'm about on this channel. And today I'm gonna do a really easy get ready with me. You're gonna see real quickly that this is actually my new hair. This is actually an extension halo piece from the Lauren Ashton collection. All right, you guys, well, without further ado, I'm gonna show you how I created this look. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Should I get up and run? Stop dead right before it had begun. I was the morning dove, and you were the hope chasing me through the air. You loved like you didn't care. Different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of. Nothing's easy, nothing ever is, but some love is haunted from the start. From the get-go to the final blow, yeah, you've got a different kind of heart. You were a merry-go-round, I was the fire that burned you to the ground. We love like we don't care. Different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of such a different kind of love. A different kind of love. Such a different kind of. When I met you, when we started off, it sure was a different kind of love. Should I get up? Should I get up and run? Stop dead right before it had begun. I was the morning dove, and you were the heart chasing me through the air. You loved like you didn't care. Different kind, a different
guys, so this is the finished look. It's a very easy look to recreate. You guys know me, I like to keep it simple, so you guys can do this pretty simply yourselves. I can't wait to see if you guys recreate any of my looks, so make sure to follow me on Instagram if you have not already. Always posting positive stuff, quotes, all that good stuff, so make sure to jump over there. That's where my little good vibe tribe hangs out, mostly, rather than here on YouTube. So I love you guys. Thanks again to Ipsy and our brand sponsors for all of the great products in this video. And I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.